How to allow remote access to MySQL. Open MySQL. So in MySQL 8.0 above, you can create a user so that you can grant all privileges to the particular user. So with grant option, here percentage is it allow any IP addresses. So and lastly you can use flush privileges command so that you can allow remote access to MySQL on other servers or machines. So in MySQL 5.0, this is the command you have to use. So grant all the privileges to particular user of particular IP address or any IP addresses identified the password with grant option. And lastly you can add command of flush privileges. So if you are using MySQL 5.0, you can use these commands. So if you are using latest MySQL, you should use these commands. So let's quickly jump into MySQL, copy all these commands, so I'm creating a user root that allow any IP addresses, password also root, grant all privileges for that particular user, grant option, first privileges. Let's run these commands. Created user, granted all privileges to that particular user, privileges got flushed. So open command prompt, ipconfig. You can see this is my IP address. One 92.168.1. Let's quickly connect. Open new connection. Text. Give the IP address here. Support 306. Username root. Password root. Test connection. Yes, successfully made MySQL connection. Okay. So with this IP address, it allows you to connect to MySQL, remote MySQL. So one more thing is go to Windows Defender, go to Windows Firewall, advanced settings, add inbound and outbound rules here. So by default you have inbound rule for MySQL. You can see port 3306 inbound rule. So add outbound rule also. If you add outbound rule also, then it will work on other servers machines. So let's add quickly one outbound rule here, new rule. select port. Next, select specific remote ports 3306. Next, allow the connection. Next, so let it be check for domain private and public. Next, can add as MySql outbound rule. Finish. So now you can access this MySql database as remote on your machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.